How to get rid of eczema. Having eczema is not an easy feat. This is a skin condition that affects a lot of individuals, especially babies to teenagers, even though adults have it as well. It is very annoying and uncomfortable, and the most common symptoms include skin rashes, burning of the skin, and very severe itching. There are many things that can cause this condition to flare up. Some of these include environmental irritants, pollens, chemicals in your skincare and personal care products, and hormonal imbalances. However, today we will look at what foods causes eczema. Once you have an understanding of these types of foods, you will be able to avoid them and prevent possible flare-ups. Food to avoid with eczema. The most common types of foods that will aggravate eczema are those which are normally allergy-producing. These are the kinds of foods that most people have a problem tolerating. Below is a list of them that you should try to avoid. 1. Seafood. The most common types are shellfish, crabs, shrimps and salmon. 2. Caffeine, contained in some soft drinks, coffee and other sources. 3. Soy. 4. Acidic fruits, mostly citrus. 5. Most processed and refined foods. 6. Nuts such as peanuts and cashews. This is a small list of the common foods that you should stay away from. There may be other variation or other kinds of foods that you may be allergic to. Not everyone will be allergic to the same kinds of foods or any at all. However, you should watch what you eat, and if there is anything that aggravates your eczema, then you should avoid it. How to get rid of eczema. Since you know possible eczema triggers, you may also be interested in how to get rid of it. There are many things that you can do to keep your skin clear and beautiful and free from the terrible symptoms. Here is a list of things that you should do. 1. Be sure to take a bath at least 2 times daily. There are specific soaps that you should use that does not contain all the chemicals as the ordinary soaps. You can always ask your doctor or pharmacist to recommend one for your skin type. 2. Always moisturize your skin. This will keep your skin cool and smooth and prevent it from looking dry and scaly. 3. Use natural remedies. There are many remedies that you can use to reduce or even eliminate your eczema for good. Just so a search on the internet and you will find many available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.